Can you hear that noise? The wind is blowing a hoolie, and it's been blowing a hoolie since, well, I don't know, since last night really. And I was woken up this morning by it. This is a wooden like shed basically, and you can hear it creaking and groaning under the pressure of the wind just buffeting it. Exciting. And yeah, the water's looks very moving, shall we say. It's spraying up, grass is blowing tremendously. Yeah, so this is my last, well, I have to be out by 12 o'clock here, and it is currently 10, so I've got a couple of hours, but I didn't see much point in just sitting around here. I'm going to pack up, and because I'm going to go through the toll tunnel to Osprey, is it? One of the main islands. I thought I'd drive around there before I head to the next Airbnb, which is in the capital Tórshavn. From 3 o'clock I can get in there. So I'm just going to drive around and enjoy the sights, discover. But first I've got to pack away, and I'm going to finish off my coffee. By the way, this percolator thing, never used one before. I don't know how I got through life without one. Best thing ever. I'm going to have to buy one now. I'd much prefer filter coffee, and the fact that, you know, pop it on, keeps it warm, just top your drink up throughout the day. Love it. Best thing ever. But yeah, it's been a cool little place, this. Enjoyed it, but on to the next thing, which is a little flat in someone's house. So it's going to be different, but we're going to be in the city, so completely different kind of scenery and life around it, I'm sure. But anyway, pack away, explore, next Airbnb. Okay, bye bye. So here I am, just had a shower, and yeah, this is my next Airbnb. We are in a more densely populated area. This is the capital. I hasten to call it a city because I think it's about 13,000 people live here, which is, you know, no bigger than the town that I live in. But we're in the capital of Tórshavn, I think it's pronounced, and yeah, nice view. I'm basically in like an apartment that's on the bottom floor of someone's house. Their house, it's like the floor above. But I've got this nice room with cupboard, TV, chairs, bed over there, nice sofa, and then this like kitcheny area out here, and then bathroom, nice bathroom, really nice shower, really nice shower, really enjoyed that. And then my own entrance here, yeah, coffee machine again, perfect, fridge, microwave, everything I need, and like cups and saucers, and well provided here. And the lady that owns this place, Litzy, she was very lovely, was showing me around. She got all these like in this book, she's labelled places for me to go, or anyone else that's staying here. So yeah, I'm here now in the capital, Tórshavn, and I'm here, today's Thursday, and I'm flying out Wednesday afternoon, so I'm here till then. So I'm going to enjoy the islands. Hang on. So when I first got here, I was staying up on Bordeaux, just here, in this little, in between Vidoy and Bordeaux, and then we got the second largest town here, Klaksvik, which is quite nice. And so I've come around here, and I've kind of been driving around Istroy and Streymoy, and now we're down in Tórshavn down here. So for the next few days I'm going to enjoy these two islands, kind of wander around, take some pictures, and then because I've got to get through a toll tunnel to get to Vaga, I'm going to set aside a whole day when I know we've got good weather to go visit there. So that is the plan, but for now I'm just going to chill out. I'm just going to chill out because I'm here and I just want to chill, so I'm going to do that. So see you. It's 10 to 6 in the morning. Sunrise is at 6. I'm in the car, obviously, and I'm hesitant in getting out because I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty gnarly out there. It's blustery snow. I'm on top of a mountain. It's complete whiteout out there. The roads are covered in a thin layer of snow, freshly laid snow, and it's cold, -1, and then you got the wind. You're meant to have nice views here, but it's like I've come to another planet, honestly. Completely different up here. So I've driven out Tórshavn for about 20 minutes, and this is what 20 minutes out of the city gets you. Something else. So I might just wait a little bit, or I might drive down so I'm out of the cloud. But yeah, wasn't expecting this. Looking the other way across the mountain, it's not, well, it's opening up. All the kind of fog, the cloud covers gone out the way, and see a few other mountains. Problem is, it's blowing a gale, so I'm going to be very limited in what pictures I can take. In fact, I might have to just go handheld, not worry about a tripod. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to layer up. I need to put my insulated jacket on. Yep, that's it. I need to layer up, and I'm going to leave the camera in the car, pointing out the window, just kind of looking at me, and then hopefully through the wireless lavalier you can pick me up talking, because I think I'm basically just going to hide behind this bit of the rest of this kind of mountain going up, because the moment I step out outside the shelter of this bit of mountain here, then you're going to get caught up in that wind. So I think that's the plan. That's annoying. I thought it was recording, and you missed the wind blowing my tripod over. But the wind's well. I'm going to shoot the other side of this mountain now, looking the other way, and the wind's just, well, there's no wind basically, so I can take you with me, and I've got some really nice dramatic clouds going on, looking down between the valleys, out to sea. So I'm going to do something along that line. Even though there's no wind, I'm just getting into the habit of hanging the bag off the truck. Also, I'm getting better at it. Right, and we are at just under 50 mil. I say 50 f8, 1/10 of a second. Beautiful. Woo! Oh, I didn't expect any of that this morning. Still looks amazing, but I mean, there's some great light, but it's all in positions that just don't work compositionally. So there's no point taking a picture just because there's nice light. Yeah, this is a spot, and you just drive up here as well. Perfect. And from here you can even walk along the ridge a bit more, or head up that way a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a morning because I'm not cold, but I didn't expect to get anything, to be honest. So I'm just happy that I came out, got some few good pictures. My camera didn't break when the wind blew it. I was actually videoing a little clip on my phone when it happened, so well, I probably included that in the vlog anyway. But yeah, cool. Look, it's just like beautiful light that way, but it just doesn't work compositionally. Ah, yeah, we'll be back here again, that is for sure. This is, don't get this in Kent. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.